going to pick up the keys to the new apartment that we are moving into. And I'm gonna take you guys on a little tour so you can see what the place looks like. Don't have any makeup on, so let's ignore that part.
Do a new place, new look, makeup tutorial. Look at this police officer's getting some tacos. That's a problem there. Look at these are the ladies that have the wigs.
Hey, don't make fun of them, that's their life.
You'll blend in with the wigs, so.
You know what? Shut up. So this is the front door. We have security. Is that what this is? Yep. We have this for
Front door if someone wants to get in.
Yep. We have closet number 1.
Coats, spray paint.
Coats and hose. We have closet number 2. Oh. Who knows what we'll put in here. I like it when you walk in, like, you could go any direction. The living room's over there, we got a bedroom over there, and a bedroom over there. So you walk in. Let's go to the living room first. Yeah, there's a fireplace. Oh wait, here's the best part. There's air conditioning. No place has air conditioning out here. So we got the fireplace, we've got walls, we've got wood floors, this big window. Then we have the kitchen with this cute little chandelier light. Cute. So this is like the little dining room area, and then again we have a big door, sliding glass door. This is so cute. We don't have like a little dining area, so this is an upgrade for us. Then we have the kitchen, like an actual kitchen.
Oh wow, look at that, that's fancy.
That is. So this is where Fern is gonna be making some bomb meals. We've got cabinets. Again, like this is all an upgrade for us. We don't have any of this currently, so we're stoked. A fridge with cubed ice.
It's really beautiful.
So we have the first bathroom, which also has like the little chandelier in here. I thought that was cute. It's just kind of an average bathroom, but it does have a bathtub upgrade. Big old mirror. Cupboards. We didn't have that either. We have, I think this is considered the master bathroom. Same thing though, little chandelier. And then this is the master, I think. But look at these mirrors. Wow. So at the place we're in currently, we don't have, we don't have closets, so this is huge for us to have an actual closet. This goes all the way down, so my side, his side. Then we walk over here, and we have another closet with the sliding glass doors. The second bedroom, so it's a 2-bedroom apartment, has this nice door to separate from the world. And then the second bedroom. Big window, love it. So this room I think is going to be makeup / office room. I'm feeling it because I could shut both doors and be left alone. And we're not sharing walls with anybody. So no more awful neighbor. Praise the Lord. It's pretty big here. Well, for LA. Right now we're packing up the old place and it's kind of a nightmare, but it's okay. This is where all of my wigs are gonna go and stuff in here. It's gonna be great. Wig closet. What do you think? Do you like it? You seem thrilled. We're sitting here trying to decide if the couch should go on this side and a TV over there, or if the couch should go on this side and the TV over there. I feel like this just feels better. The only downside is if we put a couch right here, it kind of blocks the entry in, right? Hi, so surprise. I didn't film an outro because if you could tell by the shaky camera, I'm not the best at vlogging, but I tried. So I wanted to share with you guys, I don't even know why I have these in, they're not plugged in. I wanted to share with you guys my empty apartment and kind of before I moved in, what it looked like, because I know you are curious. Maybe you are, I don't know. We are actually now moved in. It's been a couple of weeks and I can't wait to show you guys how the place looks because I've been trying really hard to decorate it and make it look cute. Once like a couple more stuff comes in, I want to do another like more decorated tour, adult life. That's all I gotta say. Let me just tell you, the AC is great. Worth it. Anyways, have a good day today and make good choices, and we'll be seeing you guys very soon. Okay, bye!